Amid the scare from China with regard to the HMPV virus, there has been a case detected in Bengaluru of an 8-month-old child found positive in Bengaluru of the HMPV virus. Remember, while the cases have been detected earlier as well, because this is an infant we are talking about, and I do not intend to sound alarming to the viewers, but this is for caution to be practiced by one and all, and to remember that even children can be affected by the virus. This is the HMPV virus. The health department of the government has said we haven't got yet tested in our lab. The reports have come from a private hospital, and we will go by it as well. And usually, remember, is detected in children, this HMPV virus, the flu samples basically. But for now, do not be alarmed, however, take all precautions. Our editor Nagarjun Dwarkanath is joining me for the latest on this from Bengaluru. Nagarjun, tell us more about this, because it's after all a child, and that may appear to be very concerning in nature.
That's true. In fact, HMPV virus has been detected in Bangalore. It's an 8-month-old baby, and the test reports came from a private hospital. The government says that we have no reason to doubt this, but they also say that this has been in circulation, in the sense the virus has always been there in India. So there's no need to panic. It's not like COVID that the virus came from outside. It's most common in flu. That's 0.7% of most flu samples. If you get tested for HMPV, it gets detected as positive, and hence there's no need to panic, is what the health department has said. But however, it's an 8-month-old baby who has no history of traveling outside Bengaluru and Karnataka has been detected with HMPV. The government has said it's not any new case. HMPV is usually detected, but what is the concern is we are yet to get the DNA strain of this virus and match it with whatever China the virus is. Is it the same, or is it a new strain? Is there a need to panic or not? The government will have to take a call further in weeks.
This is the human metapneumovirus. Remember, the symptoms, according to doctors, are similar to cold, cough, wheeze, runny nose. Not concerning as much as coronavirus, but it is best right now to practice extreme caution, because remember, even ahead of COVID-19 and the coronavirus spread, it appeared it's not a big deal, but you would be better advised to stay cautious on this. We'll be tracking more on this. Nagarjun, thank you very much for now.